Today you're going to learn the best way to make a Hot Pocket. You're also going to learn how to take something lame and make it legendary. Start by unwrapping your Hot Pocket. Put it in your air fryer pan upside down. Cook it at 360 for 16 minutes. Now let's make some compound butter for the crust. Start with 1 tablespoon of butter, then garlic powder, oregano, chili powder, salt. Taste it a little bit, and then you can add more of the flavors that you like. When you're done, it should look like this. So after 8 minutes, you're gonna pull out your Hot Pocket, flip it over, and then spread the butter on top of it. Here's why we put it in upside down. You're gonna flip it over, and now the hot air is gonna blow on top of the Hot Pocket. It's gonna look really nice and toasted. Now let's make a dipping sauce. We're gonna use ranch, gochujang, and rice vinegar. Give that a mix and we're ready to plate. So now you're gonna pour it into the center of the plate and drag your spoon to make a C. Then you're gonna take your Hot Pocket, cut it in half, angle your cut, and set it up like this. Sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese and add some fresh parsley. And now you're ready to enjoy. If you found any of this remotely useful, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.